The sleeve acts as an isolator between the ball bearing and the housing. It keeps the bearing centered to the housing and the brushes to the armature, but still allows for a small amount of movement. The sleeve is typically replaced due to a bearing failure. A seized bearing will spin inside the sleeve, melting or tearing it. Replacing the sleeve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the motor housing. With the armature removed, I can go ahead and remove the sleeve from the bearing and install the new one. I'll slide the armature back into the motor and secure the gearbox to the housing with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And now you know how to replace the bearing sleeve on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.